Thank you so much, Andrea. And for some quick reactions to the finance minister's presentation, we're joined by economist Keenan Faulkner. Mr. Faulkner.
Hi, Anthony. How are you doing?
Thank you so much for joining us. What did you make of the minister's explanation on Jamaica's readiness for shocks linked to the war in the Middle East?
So Jamaica has now been in a position better than it was in the past to absorb these kinds of shocks. By comparison, in the 1970s, when the price of oil tripled, which had implications for the import bill, we were not able to absorb those shocks because net international reserves were negative for much of the 70s, all of the 80s, and into the early 1990s. So this provides good import coverage in case oil prices do increase to the extent that we were not able to previously plan for it.
Okay, thank you so much. And what areas did you want to hear more about? We're hearing a lot of talk about that. What areas did you wish to hear more about from the minister?
I think the minister could have elaborated more on concrete plans for growth. She did mention that there would be financial sector reforms that would help to unlock capital and therefore accelerate growth. But overall, I think the presentation reflected the fiscal realities and the fiscal pressures being faced by the country, given the extent of the fiscal deficits that we will experience. I think the minister contextualized the situation sufficiently, and I don't think much was really expected by way of government spending on new policy initiatives, but rather maintaining what exists due to the constrained fiscal space.
All right, thank you so much, Mr. Faulkner. Economist Keenan Faulkner there providing reaction to the finance minister's budget debate presentation.